Ever felt that sinking feeling when you're about to swipe your card, only to be unsure if you have enough funds? We've all been there. Maybe you're on a spontaneous shopping spree, treating yourself to a well-deserved lunch, or need to pick up some last-minute groceries. But that nagging question lingers: will your card go through? Fear not, fellow Monese users. Avoiding that awkward decline at the checkout counter is easier than you think. Today's video tackles a crucial question: how to check your Monese limits quickly and conveniently. Because, let's face it, managing your finances shouldn't feel like a mystery. Monese prides itself on being transparent and user-friendly, and that includes keeping you informed about your spending power. So, ditch the guesswork and join me as we dive into the world of Monese limits. First things first, it's important to understand that limits on your Monese account can vary. This depends on two key factors. Account type: Monese offers different plans, each with its own set of features and, you guessed it, limits. The most common ones are Simple, Classic, and Premium. Simple, being the most basic plan, will naturally have lower limits compared to Premium. Location: yep, even your location plays a role. Monese operates across various countries, and depending on where you are, local regulations can influence your limits. For instance, daily spending limits in the UK might differ from those in Romania. Now that we've established these factors, let's explore how to find your Monese limits. Option 1. The Monese app, your financial command center. Monese keeps everything nice and tidy within the app itself. Here's how to find your limits. Open the Monese app and log in. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Settings section. This might be represented by a gear icon or similar. Within Settings, navigate to Account. Here, you should see a dedicated section for Limits. This will display your current spending and transfer limits based on your account type and location. Option 2. Monese website, a wealth of information. If you prefer using a web browser, fret not. Monese has you covered. Head over to the Monese website, Monese Fees and Limits. On the website, navigate to the Fees and Limits section. Here, you'll find a breakdown of limits for all account types and locations. Simply select your country and plan to see the specific limits applicable to you. Remember, these limits cover various transactions, including daily ATM withdrawals, daily card spending, monthly international transfers. By knowing your limits, you can effectively budget and avoid any unexpected roadblocks while managing your finances. Here's a quick tip: Monese allows you to request an increase in your limits. However, this process might involve additional verification steps to ensure your account security. That's it. Checking your Monese limits is a quick and straightforward process. With the knowledge you've gained today, you can confidently manage your finances and avoid any unpleasant surprises at the checkout counter. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.